Research ethics play a fundamental role in ensuring the integrity, credibility, and fairness of scientific investigations. In an era marked by technological advancements and the pursuit of knowledge, ethical considerations are of utmost importance. These principles guide researchers in conducting studies that prioritize the well-being of participants, maintain confidentiality, and uphold the principles of honesty and transparency. One essential aspect of research ethics is obtaining informed consent from study participants. Informed consent ensures that individuals have a clear understanding of the study's purpose, potential risks, benefits, and their right to withdraw at any time. Researchers must provide sufficient information in a manner that is understandable, allowing participants to make an informed decision about their involvement. Confidentiality and privacy are also essential ethical considerations. Researchers must protect the identities and personal information of participants. Data collected must be handled responsibly to prevent unauthorized access and ensure anonymity, unless explicitly stated otherwise by the participants. Respecting privacy instills trust and fosters open communication with participants, encouraging their active participation in research. Another vital ethical principle is avoiding harm to participants. Researchers must assess and minimize any potential physical, psychological, or emotional risks associated with their studies. Safeguards must be put in place, ensuring that participants are not exposed to unnecessary harm. This involves conducting rigorous risk assessments, providing appropriate support systems, and promptly addressing any concerns that arise during the research process. Maintaining integrity and honesty is a core ethical principle. Researchers must accurately report their findings, methodologies, and data analysis techniques to avoid misrepresentation or manipulation. Fabrication or falsification of data undermines the credibility and trustworthiness of the entire scientific community. Ethical conduct demands adherence to strict research standards, promoting intellectual honesty and unbiased reporting of results. Equity and fairness are crucial elements of research ethics. Researchers should strive to include diverse populations in their studies to ensure inclusivity and representativeness. By actively engaging individuals from different backgrounds, researchers can avoid biases and overcome limitations that may exist in homogeneous study groups. Ensuring equal opportunity for diverse participation enhances the validity, relevance, and applicability of research findings. In addition to individual research ethics, there are ethical considerations related to broader societal impacts. Researchers have an obligation to consider the potential consequences and implications of their work. They should critically evaluate the potential benefits and harms of their research on society, community, and the environment. Striking a balance between advancing knowledge and minimizing negative consequences is crucial in practicing responsible and ethical research. To uphold research ethics, there are established guidelines and regulatory bodies that oversee the ethical conduct of research. Institutional review boards, IRBs, or ethics committees often review research proposals to ensure compliance with ethical standards. These bodies assess studies based on the principles outlined in ethical guidelines, such as those provided by the World Medical Association or the American Psychological Association, among others. In conclusion, research ethics are vital in maintaining the highest standards of scientific integrity and protecting the rights and well-being of study participants. Ethical considerations encompass areas such as informed consent, confidentiality, avoiding harm, honesty and integrity, equity and inclusivity, and social responsibility. Adhering to these principles promotes the credibility, trust, and societal impact of research. As technology advances and new ethical challenges emerge, it is crucial for researchers, institutions, and regulatory bodies to continually reflect and adapt to changing circumstances to ensure ethical practices are upheld in all areas of scientific inquiry.